Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's UTrade Rundown. I'm Lance, and today I'll run you through our outlook on Megawide Construction. The flood control controversy and higher energy prices have weighed on the construction sector, especially firms heavily exposed to government contracts like EEI Corporation. But MWIDE looks relatively insulated for now, with material escalation clauses in its EPC contracts, meaning that it can renegotiate material cost sharing with clients. Aside from that, it also has enough construction inventory until September this year, and limited infrastructure exposure versus its other segments. MWIDE is leading into diversifying revenues through areas like real estate, land transportation terminals, and Pag-ibig's 4PH housing program. The company plans to launch 22,600 subsidized housing units this year and 77,500 more over the next 5 to 7 years, lifting its projected order book to 68.3 billion pesos this year. It's also investing 2.5 billion pesos in a Cavite precast facility that could double capacity by 2027. While Pitex remains loss-making, stronger lease rates and foot traffic, plus 3 plant terminals could support break-even longer term. Meanwhile, MWIDE has already repaid 6 billion pesos in short-term debt for the first quarter of 2026. Improving leverage and potentially reopening the door for future dividends. This translates to around 420 million pesos a year in interest costs. Management has also said that they don't plan to issue more preferred shares after raising enough capital from its Series 7 issuance and selling down its CREX stake, with leverage expected to improve from 1.07x to 0.93x by 2026. Dividends could eventually come back into focus as hinted by management, so watch out for that. We have a buy rating on MWIDE with a target price of 4.10 pesos per share based on our SOTP or sum of the parts valuation. Despite stronger earnings momentum and margin expansion, the stock still trades at just 8.2x 2026 EV/EBITDA, below peers' 9.9x average, which we think the market has yet to fully price in. MWIDE's projected 676 EPS growth in 2026 and improving EBITDA margins of 19.4%. And that's it for this week's UTrade Rundown. You can read the more comprehensive analysis and get regular market updates when you open a UTrade account today.